Hello dear students of class 10. Dear student, currently in this series of the video you are going to learn the MCQ practices that has been taken from heredity, that is the phenomena which comes under the genetics. And come to the next MCQ practices, that two pea plants, question number 30 from a prescribed book. Two pea plants, one with round seed and another with wrinkled yellow, round green and wrinkled yellow, two seeds are there. And the question is, if one plant are self-pollinated, then F2 progeny will have the combination of characters. Choose the new combination from the following. So new combination will be one combination, parents combinations are wrinkled round green and wrinkled yellow. Okay, so the next two options that are remaining, and that will be the round yellow and wrinkled green. That will be the round yellow and wrinkled green. So answer will be 30, 30, that will be 1 and 4, B. Answer will be B, 30B. Then come to 31. The question is, a basket of vegetables contains carrot, potato, radish and tomato. Which of them are the correct homologous structure? So homologous structure means both the roots are radish and carrot. So answer will be C, 31C. 31C. Then 32. Select the correct statement. Tendrils, 32, that is from the evolution, so I am not going to take it. Okay. And 33, if the fossil of the organism is found in the deeper layer of the earth, then we can predict that the extinction of the organism has occurred thousands of years ago. So 33, that will be B. 33B. 33B. This is also taken from evolution, not heredity. 34. Which of the following statement is not true with respect to variation? So all variations in a species have equal chance. All variations in a species have equal chance of survival. This will be the A. 34A, that will be not true. 34A. 34A will not true. And 35. A trait in an organism is influenced by both maternal and parental DNA. 35C. 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 And 36. Select the group which shares maximum number of common characters. Select the group which shares maximum number of common characters. Two individuals of a species, two species of a genus, two genera of a family, two genera of two families. So two individuals of the same species shares maximum number of the characters which will be the same. So answer will be 36A. 36A. And come to next, that is 37. According to the evolutionary theory, formation of a new species is generally due to the accumulation of variation over several generations. Answer B, 37B. This is again from the evolution. So 37B. 38. From the list given below, select the character which can be acquired but not inherited. From the list given below, select the character which can be acquired but not inherited, and that will be size of the body C. 38C. 38C, size of the body. And 39, the two versions of a trait which are brought in by the male and female gamete are situated on. The two versions of a trait which are brought in by the male and female gametes are situated on. 39. That will be copies of the same chromosome A. 39A. 39A. Then 40. Select the statement that describe the characteristic of gene. So genes are the specific sequence of bases in a DNA molecule, and in individual of a gene given species, the specific gene is located on a particular chromosome. Okay, so answer will be B, first and third. 40B. 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 Okay, and 41. In peas, a pure tall plant, capital T, is crossed with a short plant, small t. The ratio of pure tall plants to short plants in F2 is 3:1. 41, 3:1. So, no, that will be 1:1. 1:1. Pure tall and pure dwarf, that will be 1:1. So 41 answer will be C. 41C. And 42. The number of the pairs of sex chromosome in zygote of human is 1. 42, 1. 42, 1, so A. Then come to 43. 43. The theory of evolution of species by natural selection was given by Darwin. B. 43B. 43B. And 44. 44. Some dinosaurs had feathers although they could not fly, but birds have feathers that help them to fly. In the context of evolution of this means that birds have evolved from reptiles. D. 44D. 44D. And some true false students questions are there, like a specific gene is located in a particular chromosome in individual of a given species. That is true. Variations may lead to the increased survival of the individual. True. New species may be formed if mating does not take place. True. The new species may be formed if mating does not take place. False. This is false. Mating means sexual reproduction. The F1 F2 phenotypic ratio in dihabit class is 9:3:3:1. That is true. Now filling the blanks. Mendel is known as the father of genetics. Father of genetics. Then dash is the segment of DNA that code for a specific character. Genes. Gene is a segment of DNA that codes for a specific character gene. So second gene. And third, chemical evolution and biological evolution proved that the life originated from the inorganic molecule. Chemical and biological evolution. Chemical and biological. Chemical and biological evolution. Chemical and biological evolution. For wings of birds and flippers of whales are कौन से ऑर्गन है? Wings of birds and flippers of whales are these are homologous organs. Homologous organs. Homologous organs. Dash are preserved remains are impression of organisms. Dash are preserved remains are impression of organism. Dash are preserved are remains or impression of organism. Fossils are preserved remains or impression of the organism. So, and then is the fossil. Okay, fossils. So, dear student, these are the questions that was based on this, and you have to do the match the column that I am giving to you. This match of the column as a homework. Okay, so do the homework at your home. Match the column on page number 243. You have to do as in the online class that I have already completed it. So you have to do it. Dear student, come to some other MCQ questions from your book itself, and that MCQ that I am carrying out here from question number 20. Exchange of genetic material takes place in sexual reproduction. 20 sexual reproduction, and 21 the pink colored flower consisting of one red, 2 pink and 1 white flower progeny. The nature of this cross will be the cross fertilization. Okay, and a cross between capital T, small t resulted in progeny that were all tall plants because tallness is the dominant trait. Question number 23. Which of the following statement is incorrect? For every hormone there is a gene. For every protein there is a gene. For production of every enzyme there is a gene. And for every molecule of fat there is a gene. So this for every molecule of fat there is a gene, this will be the incorrect. This is not true. Okay. So if a round green seeded tea tree plant crossed with a wrinkle yellow seeded plant, in F1 generation all will be round and yellow because these traits are dominant traits, round and yellow. In human males, all the chromosomes are paired perfectly except one. These unpaired chromosomes are Y chromosomes. Okay? Y chromosomes and X chromosomes. So, third and fourth, C. Okay, 26. The maleness of a child is determined by Y chromosomes in zygote. Okay, and 27. A zygote which has X chromosome inherited from the father will develop into a zygote which has an X chromosome inherited from the father will develop into okay, girl, B. So 27 B. Okay, girl. Then select the incorrect statement. Select the correct statement. That will be the that is from the evolution. So I am leaving it. New species may be formed if DNA undergoes significant changes in germ cell and chromosomal number changes in the gametes. So there is no change in the genetic material, no. So first and second A, 29A. So I have completed this complete MCQ practices, my dear student, from your prescribed book as well as the true false questions, filling the blanks, that has been completed. You have to match the column as your homework. So my dear student, in the next video I will be able to explain you the short answer and very short answer and long answer questions in the next video. Till then, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you and good day.